Oslavujeme 10. výročie založenia BIM asociácie Slovensko a je mi veľkou cťou vidieť, kde sme sa dostali, kde sme pokročili.
So far it has been a tremendously well-organized conference with very good speakers. My presentation was mostly about how to use the BIM and make it profitable for public sector processes.
It was very nice making a presentation to this BIM conference here in Bratislava. I think it's an amazing event with so many people and so many enthusiastic BIM people.
Congratulations on the 10th anniversary of the BIM Association of Slovakia. You have been through a very long path. What I have seen so far is a very successful path, and I wish you the next very successful 10 and even more years.
Prednáška, ktorú mal zástupca Úradu pre územné plánovanie a výstavbu Slovenskej republiky, ukázala, že aj Slovensko ako štát už má jasne vytýčenú roadmapu.